Hi everybody, it's Chris from Light and Joy Designs. I have two cool things for you today. One is a sneak peek of this week's pattern that's coming out on Friday, and the other is something I discovered yesterday about a new way to use the Hyperbolic Scrunchies. So even if you don't wear them in your hair, you can use them as a shawl pin. So let me show you how to do that. At the grocery store, just get some of the apple sticks and one of your scrunchies, and you just put the stick in and look at that. You have a beautiful shawl pin and a hair scrunchie. So let me show it to you on some of the other shawls. This is the radius shawl. Let me show it to you on some of the others. This one is on the this is my Land of the Fairies shawl, and it's styled in what I call the asymmetric cowl. You can find this pattern for free on Ravelry, and also this is a Tunisian crochet shawl, and if you're interested in learning Tunisian crochet, this is believe it or not, beginner friendly, and I have a course that teaches you how to make the whole shawl as well as two other projects. Let me show you another shawl as well. This one here is my shawl called Pretty Little Thing, and this shawl is a pay what you want shawl. So when you go onto Ravelry, or if you go to my website, I have discount codes where you can pay the full price, which is $5, or you can pay all the way down to $0. If that's what you want, this can be a free pattern for you. And this is the Hyperbolic Scrunchie as a shawl pin. And here we have it on the Magic Mini Shawl. This is one of the patterns of the Magical Mystery Tour. It's a free pattern. This is my Sweet November shawl in Tunisian, and this is a free pattern. It's made to be like the shawl worn in the movie Sweet November, and this was released this summer. It's a free pattern, and here is the Hyperbolic Crochet Scrunchie being used as a shawl pin on this shawl. Okay, and lastly, this shawl is the Ocean Wave shawl. This is on my website. And any of these shawls that I've shown you today, you can find the links to them on my website, lightandjoydesigns.com. Most of them I have video tutorials on about how to make them. And if you have any questions, just go to my contact page and let me know, or comment right here with your questions. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see your crochet scrunchie being used as a shawl pin, and maybe you get to see your pictures too. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.